Hello students, last class we discussed numbers, what is number and greatest number and largest number we discussed. In this class we will discuss, last class I told you what is period, okay. I told you the definition of period. Period is nothing but when we read and write the large number, we group them. That is called period. Okay, how we period the large number. Some example I'm giving some example. This is large number, okay. So I gave some period. Period means comma, okay. So this is large number. I gave here one period, but here two period. Before see this example, I will tell you place value. There are two types of place value we are using in world, but in India we are using Indian place value or Indo-Arabic place value. Okay, in India, all over India, we use the Indian place value or another name Indo-Arabic system. Okay, then international place value system. So there are two place value are there. First we will discuss Indian place value. Okay, the Indian place value already we know 1 place, 10 place, 100 place. We put one period, one comma, first comma. Then second one 1000 place, 10,000 place, another comma, second comma. Okay. Then third lakhs and 10 lakhs we put third period, third comma. This is the Indian method. Okay. This is international place value. First ones, tens, hundred. This three place we put first comma. Okay. The second one 1000, 10,000, 100,000. These three number we put second period, second comma. Okay. Then million, 10 million, 100 million we put third comma. As per these rules, I have given some example. The number is 1, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the 1 place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, 100,000 place. This is million place. So where we put comma, as per the India international rules, we put first where we put first comma 1, 10, 100. So 1, 10, 100. So one comma. Then second rules 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So 1000, 100,000. So then there is no other number. So 3. So 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So 3. So only 3 numbers there. So no need to put comma. Okay. As per the Indian rules, first 1, 10, 100. So 3. After 3 number we put comma. So 1, 10, 100. I put one comma. Okay. The second rules 1000, 10,000. Second comma. So 1000, 10,000. So I put another comma. So third one lakh and 10 lakh. So lakh is there. So there is no another number. So I didn't put. So here 2 comma. As per the Indian rule, the same number here 2 comma. But Indian international value only 1 comma. This is the place value. Okay. Here I have given some example. We will see. I have some large number. How I put period. Okay. We will see. As per the Indian system, I have given this number 3276972. This is a big number. How I will put period. Okay. As per the Indian rule, last class, I told you before Indian rules already I gave you in the chart. So you listen that chart carefully. Then only you can put here period. So comma. Okay. So 3276972. As per the Indian system, 1, 10, 100. The 3 places. Then after we will put 1 comma. Okay. So 1s, 10s, 100. I put 1 comma. Then after, as per the Indian value, 100, 1000, 10,000. After we put 1 comma. Okay. So 1000, 10,000. I put one more comma. That is second comma. Okay. Then lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay. So after there is no any number. So I put only comma, this much only. Okay. As per the international system, the same number, as per the rules, you already saw the rules. So as per the rules, first 1 tens, hundred. This three after 300 we have to put one period. Okay, so one period. Then after 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So we put one more period. Okay, so I put one more period. So there is no other number. This much only. So enough. So this is the example, students. Use this example. You have to do homework. I have given two homework for Indian place value and international place value. So I have given four number for Indian value. You have to put period. Where to put period? This is a homework. So you do it in homework. So this is the Indian value and this is the international value. So once you finish this homework, we will continue the next chapter, next topic. Students, carefully listen our previous. I have given the rules. See the rules and finish the homework. Okay. Now we will see face value and place value. What is face value and what is the place value of the number? We know if we have large number, when we are writing or reading large number, we put period, like that is comma. Okay, we already saw two types of place value, Indian place value and international place value. So we have rules and regulation. Using this rules and regulation, we put period. We know how to use period and comma. Okay, then how to read the number using that period, how to read the number. Then before that, now we will see what is face value and what is the place value. Suppose you take some example, 3, 2, 7, 4, 5, 6, I have given some number. This face value of 3, 3 only. The face value of 2, 2 only. Face value of 7, 7 only. So 4, 5, 6, every face value as it is same only. But the place value, it changes. This is the place value. What is the place of 6? So 1 place. So 1's place. So 6 into 1, 6. Okay. So 6 ones are there. Okay. Then what is the place of 5? This is 10th place. So 5 into 10, 50. So 50 10 are there. How many 10s are there? 50 10 are there. Okay. Then what is the place of 4? This is 100 place. So we have to multiply 100 into 4. So we get 400. So how many hundreds are there? 4 hundreds are there. Okay. Then what is the place value of 7? This is 1000 place. So we are going to multiply 7 plus 7 into 1000. So 7000. So how many thousands are there? 7000. Okay. Then what is the place value of 2? This is 10,000 place. So we are going to multiply 2 into 10,000. So 20,000. So how many 10,000 are there? 20,000 are there. Okay. Then what is the place value of 3? That's a lakhs place. 1 lakh. So this is a lakh place. So 3 into lakh. So 3 lakhs. So how we are going to read this number? 3 lakhs 27,456. Okay. This is the face value and place value. So students, I think I hope you understand what is face value and what is the place value. Face value, every value has same value. Place value means every number has some different place value. So ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. This is as per the Indian system, Indian value system. So we are giving this place value. This 6 is the ones place. So we are going to multiply 1. Okay, this is a 10 place. We are going to multiply 10. This is a 100 place. We are going to multiply to 100. This is 1000 place. We multiply to 1000. This is 10,000 place. We multiply 10,000. This is lakhs place. We multiply lakhs. So then we will read as this number 3,22,456. Okay.